Hey guys, Blanchy and Tim here from Jayco Newcastle with one of the beautiful looking RVs. Tim, we're standing here with the Iveco Daily 50. This is one of those RVs that will get off the line beautifully. You don't have to worry about getting stuck there. Hill assist, you name it, it's got the works.
Yeah, absolutely. So powered by a twin turbo 3 litre. The smaller turbo gets you off the line really fast, big broad power curve, and feeds that bigger turbo to help you get up those hills. The hill assist is a brilliant feature when you're driving something a little bigger, get stuck at traffic lights, and as you take your foot off the brakes will momentarily hold the vehicle until it starts moving and it can get that power through the automatic transmission back to the rear wheels.
Automatic, that's one of those things when you see these kind of vehicles, you're like, oh, do I have to change gears? No, this thing's so easy to drive.
Very, very easy, powered by a full automatic transmission, so very smooth gear changes, and don't need to worry about a thing.
One of the things that I love about this RV is the fact that it's rear wheel drive and it's got the diff lock as well. Now explain what that means, getting stuck in a sticky situation.
So yeah, absolutely, rear wheel drive, meaning instead of pulling, it's pushing. You get a lot more traction, and if you are, I suppose, off-grid, and we all want to go and isolate these days, so if we're out at national parks or on some dewy grass free camping, there's no problem getting up in the morning and throwing that diff lock on and getting away. So what a diff lock does is, you hit a button and it just works, but it engages two packs in the back diff and it locks those rear wheels together, so you don't get one side spinning. If you get one side spinning, it pulls both together, giving you a lot more traction.
Absolutely, especially when you've had a little bit of rain around like we have here at the moment. Speaking of getting away and being on the road, now there's a great feature with the cameras around this vehicle. Knowing what's coming behind you is so important with something with a bit of size.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got these nice big mirrors on the side, so you can see right down the side, and then we've got a dual camera system on the rear, so when you are travelling you can see right out like you would be in your normal vehicle, and reversing into tight spots, you change that camera and you can see right down to your back bumper bar.
Probably one of the most important things if you're getting away is fuel. Diesel, obviously, where does it go?
Diesel, you got to open that door up, passenger side, little flap,
Handy.
here you go.
Passenger side diesel fuel. There you go, plenty of features under this, but let's take a look at what's actually inside. Okay, so we've shown you what's under the bonnet. Now we're inside the Iveco Daily 50. Tim, this thing is like driving one of your modern cars.
It is. It's got all your mod cons, plenty of space for charging phones, so driver and passenger, couple of USBs down the bottom, and plenty of storage to go with it. So storage bins either side, spots for your phone, overhead storage up the top.
Absolutely. Now look, if you're going a little off grid, and let's be honest, given current conditions, we might be getting away a little bit. Sat nav, my favourite. It always takes me where I need to go.
It does, and it's all built in on that head unit. So punch in your address, off you go, and you're away.
What if I need to make a phone call? So I'm out in the middle of nowhere, don't want to pick up the phone, don't want to get the fine.
Yep, so all controlled from here, full Bluetooth integration from your phone, so your media and your phone, Bluetooth music, and it's all operational from your steering wheel.
I did notice down here there's a little button for lane assist, so that's one of the really good features of modern vehicles.
It is, so this one here, it helps you keep in the lane, so if you do drift or there is some wind that pushes you, it will beep at you and help you stay in that lane. Really handy for when you got the cruise control going.
Yeah,
cruise control, sometimes we do tend to lose a little bit of focus. That one just keeps it straight forward.
Now speaking of being on the road, something might be coming up behind you, a large truck. We spoke about the camera system, and this is incredible. You have the perfect view right behind the van.
Just like in your car, just like when you're used to driving, you look in your rear vision mirror and it's all there.
Now I can't leave the front of the cab here without talking about the heated seats. This, in the middle of winter, is going to be one of the great features. Little button down the bottom there, and the bottom's quite warm.
Heated seats and heated mirrors.
Fantastic.
No more dusting off that frost of an early morning. Hit the button, they'll defrost themselves very quickly.
Now they're full leather and so comfortable. So those long trips away, you are in absolute luxury.
Fully adjustable sprung seats, so to the driver or the passenger's weight. Adjust it as hard or as soft as you like. Makes that ride super smooth.
Super luxurious. It is, of course, the Iveco Daily 50, available right here at Jayco Newcastle. Okay, so some of those really intricate features of the Iveco. Pairing your phone. Now, I've got to be honest, when it comes to the technology thing, sometimes I'm a little bit behind. Pairing a phone, really easy.
Super, super easy. Into settings, into Bluetooth, add. Put the PIN code in, and you're away.
So it comes up on your phone. Please enter this PIN code, Bluetooth set. So that means that I can use the steering wheel to phone my contacts. Hey, Siri, call Tim.
It does, absolutely. So, button there allows you to speak to the car and say, hey, I want you to call Nick.
Perfect. When it comes to airbags, we spoke about that a little earlier. Adjusting the airbags inside the Iveco is super easy. Touch of a button.
Super easy. 3 buttons down there. So we got lifting them a little higher. You got centering the van, and you get to that site. You don't want the cab all the way up high, stepping into it. Drop it all the way down. Let all the air out. Drop it down onto the bump stops.
Now, we spoke about cruise control a little earlier in the vehicle as well. Being European, it's the other side, so left-hand side for your blinkers.
Everything is opposite, so cruise control, little switch down underneath the blinkers, and your windscreen wipers on the other side.
Now, you're gonna turn the windscreen wipers on once or twice, eh?
Oh, more than that, I still do it. I drive European cars, and I get in and out of them. Still turn the wipers on first time.
You're just trying to clean the windscreen.
Absolutely.
The Iveco Daily is here at Jayco Newcastle. Tim, what Jayco models are these available in?
Iveco Daily available on our Jayco Conquest DX, the IV25-5 and IV25-5B. Also available on our Optimum IV29.
Any more questions, don't hesitate to contact Tim and the team right here at Jayco Newcastle.